What's going on, beautiful internet family? My name is Dan Davis and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, which is Australia's #1 ranked drone YouTube channel. Today, I can't wait for you guys to hear about this huge giveaway that I've got alongside Drone Pick. So this giveaway is valued at over $600 and we have 5 lucky giveaway winners who will be announced in the coming weeks. And so the first 2 prizes, meaning that there'll be 2 giveaway winners for these prizes, we've got 2 large Drone Pick prints. So they're really awesome canvas prints that you can hang up on your wall, in your office, you can lean it up against your desk, wherever you want to put it. And there's some amazing creators over on the Drone Pick website. So you get to choose an awesome print from over there, and it's one of the large prints. So that's 2 individual prizes with 2 giveaway winners for those Drone Pick prints. Now the next prize, which is a single prize, is a drone accessories bundle, and it's for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So there's a bunch of really awesome accessories from BRDRC, and there's some universal accessories as well. So there's like a landing pad, there's a payload holder, and then you've got some exclusive Mini 4 Pro accessories there. It literally is a bundle of a few different accessories in there, and that's going to go to 1 lucky winner. And then finally, 2 winners will get access to the Fearless Drone Academy online drone course. So that's right, guys, 5 giveaway winners with prizes valued over $600 and a very simple giveaway to enter. All you have to do is follow that link over to the King Sumo giveaway page. The giveaway will run for a few weeks, and then I will have a live stream on the channel to announce the winners live. So make sure to stay subscribed, hit that notification bell so you are notified when that live stream goes up. And that's all you have to do. Go over to King Sumo. There'll be a bunch of different entry conditions. Once you sign up, that's 3 entries. And then there are going to be a variety of different ways to get extra entries. Make sure you stay tuned to the King Sumo giveaway page, bookmark it, or just keep coming back to it regularly, because every couple of days I'm going to add new entry conditions. So that means that you're going to have a better chance than most people if you stay on top of that. So there's the daily entries, there's the entries that you can see right now on the screen, which will be all sorts of things following Drone Pick, following DansTube, following Fearless Drone Academy. There'll be a few different entry conditions there, as well as sharing it on your socials, and that will give you some extra entry conditions. And then every couple of days, I will add new entry conditions to give you a better chance. So that's it, guys. It's a very simple giveaway. As always, you just go to the King Sumo link and stay tuned. Like I said, in a couple of weeks, the giveaway announcement will go live, and I will announce 5 winners. That's right, 5 winners with prizes valued over $600. I can't wait to announce these winners, and I can't wait to see all of those amazing entries. So thank you everyone for the amazing support. Thank you so much to Drone Pick for supplying those prints, as well as the Fearless Drone Academy, as well as DansTube and everyone else that's involved in this giveaway. I appreciate all the amazing support, everyone, and I'll chat to you in the next one. Peace.